Chocolates can offer several potential benefits for older adults when consumed in moderation as part of a balanced diet. 1. Antioxidants. Dark chocolate, in particular, is rich in antioxidants such as flavonoids and polyphenol. These compounds may help reduce inflammation and protect cells from damage caused by free radicals, which could potentially lower the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and certain types of cancer. 2. Heart health. Some studies suggest that moderate consumption of dark chocolate may have positive effects on heart health. It may help lower blood pressure, improve blood flow to the brain and heart, and reduce the risk of blood clots. 3. Cognitive function. Flavanols found in dark chocolate may have neuroprotective effects and could potentially improve cognitive function. Regular consumption of dark chocolate has been associated with better memory, attention, and overall cognitive performance in older adults. 4. Mood enhancement. Eating chocolate can trigger the release of endorphins and serotonin in the brain, which are neurotransmitters associated with feelings of pleasure and happiness. As a result, consuming chocolate in moderation may help improve mood and reduce stress and anxiety. 5. Nutrient content. Chocolate contains several nutrients that are beneficial for overall health, including magnesium, iron, copper, and manganese. These minerals play important roles in various bodily functions, such as bone health, energy production, and immune function. 6. Social connection. Sharing and enjoying chocolate with friends and loved ones can provide opportunities for social interaction and bonding, which are important for mental and emotional well-being, especially in older adults who may be at risk of social isolation. While chocolate can offer potential health benefits, it's essential to consume it in moderation and as part of a balanced diet. Opt for dark chocolate with a high cocoa content, at least 70%, and minimal added sugars and fats. Additionally, consider individual preferences, dietary restrictions, and any existing health conditions when incorporating chocolate into an older adult's diet. Always consult with a healthcare professional for personalized dietary advice. Eating chocolates has been linked to a lower risk of developing cancer. This is because the phytochemicals that are present in chocolates help to prevent tumor growth as well as decrease the production of cancer-related hormones. Aside from that, new research has also suggested that cocoa compounds like flavanols help to slow the growth of cancer cells. Since flavanols protect our epithelial cells and increase blood flow to our skin, our risk of developing skin cancer will be much lower. As such, loading up on some dark chocolate might be a great idea if you are planning for a sunny vacation shortly. While everyone is vulnerable to worsening eyesight and developing eye conditions, the risk is dramatically increased for aging adults. As such, the elderly need to take proper steps to maintain good eyesight. One enjoyable and simple way to do so is to simply consume chocolates. This is because the flavanols present in dark chocolate help promote blood flow to the retina, improving our vision. Of course, this tip can also be applied to younger folks. Since consuming chocolate increases blood flow and lowers blood pressure in our arteries, consuming them would lower the risk of developing heart diseases. Dark chocolate also reduces insulin resistance, which has been identified to be a risk factor for multiple heart diseases and diabetes. Listed above are just some of the reasons why chocolates can be considered superfoods that are great for the elderly to consume. Of course, there is much more that goes into a healthy diet than the incorporation of the occasional chocolate. The mood-boosting effects of dark chocolate run deeper than the general idea that eating chocolate equals happiness. Dark chocolate contains serotonin, a feel-good chemical produced naturally in the body to elevate mood and feelings of satisfaction. It also triggers the release of endorphins, the body's natural painkiller. On top of that, dark chocolate also contains tryptophan, the amino acid in turkey that produces that happy, cozy feeling. Cocoa butter contains healthy monounsaturated fats, which can positively affect cholesterol. Two types of cholesterol are found in the body, HDL and LDL. Dark chocolate can help boost good HDL cholesterol levels while reducing bad LDL cholesterol. Reduced LDL plaque buildup in blood vessels and arteries improves cardiovascular health. Flavonoids are a class of polyphenol found in dark chocolate. Flavonoids are also powerful antioxidants that help regulate cell activity to fight toxins and carcinogens. Eating dark chocolate has also been linked to a reduced risk of heart disease. The plant-based chemicals in dark chocolate naturally lower the amount of harmful LDL cholesterol in the blood. Dark chocolate can lower blood pressure as well. A professional caregiver can be a wonderful source of support and information when it comes to helping your loved one get proper nutrition. Maintaining a high quality of life can be challenging for some seniors, but professional caregivers can help them obtain this goal. Families can trust Clearwater's senior home care experts to help their elderly loved ones focus on lifestyle choices that increase the chances of living a longer and healthier life. Developing skin cancer is a big risk for seniors. In addition to wearing sunscreen when going outdoors, your loved one should consider eating dark chocolate as a snack. Dark chocolate contains flavanols, plant-based substances that can increase blood flow to the skin and reduce the negative effects of UV rays.